After this recipe, you will just want to eat bread like that. For starters, I'm using 400 grams of mixed sausage, but it may be the sausage of your choice. Remove all the skin from it. Take advantage. Leave the comment decide where you're talking so I can send you a strong hug. And now, where my recipe is coming from. Add 1 chopped onion and mix everything. Books next door. In a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but it can also be oil, 2 cloves of garlic already crushed, and now stir until the garlic begins to brown. With the garlic already golden, add all the sausage and let it stir and let it fry until you reach this point. To season, add Calabrian pepper to taste and smoked paprika to taste and stir until well mixed and all the ingredients. Now you can turn off the fire and pass all the sausage to a container. Here I added mozzarella to taste, but this is optional. Half box of sour cream. And now mix everything very well. If you enjoy the recipe, don't forget to leave your love it or your like it and share this video with everybody. Reserve the mixture on the side. Here in the video I'm using 3 loaves and with the help of a knife I drilled a hole in the middle of them. If you don't follow our page and you're not subscribed to our channel, follow us and subscribe because we post videos every day at 6:30 p.m. With the help of the fingers, we will knead well the crumbs of those leaves, and will stay like this. Now, just fill our loaves well. Our special hug goes to Marcia, who watches from Belo Horizonte, Brazil. A strong hug for you and your whole family. Thank you so much for accompanying us, watching and enjoying our videos. Repeat the process with the rest of the buns and add it on a platter. I added mozzarella on top, but if you prefer it may be grated Parmesan cheese. And to give it that special touch, add oregano and now just take to the heated oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Our stuffed bread is ready. Guys, it looks amazing. Do it at your home that I'm sure you all love. It's delicious and there's no way to resist. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for